This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Thank you very much. Hello, and croeso I Llywelyn Centre. I am Sian and this is Dom, and rather uninventively we are Sian and Dom as a duo. We didn't go too far in the name front. So we're going to be entertaining you for a little while this afternoon with our style of kind of laid back. We do some country, some folk, Americana.
This is a demonstration
and,
of
some opera songs you
Ustream
might know
Producer.
as well. And that first one was a June Carter song that she sang with Johnny Cash. So kind of a country feel to it. I want to start off by wishing everyone a happy Mother's Day. I am, in fact, a mother for the first time this year with my 9-month-old baby. My husband's late, so she's not here, which is always good. He's always late. And my mum is here as well. So happy Mother's Day to everyone who is out and celebrating on this beautiful day in the Bay. This next one is dedicated to my mum. It's one of her favourite songs. It's called Turnaround. It was made famous by
This is
Harry
a demonstration
Belafonte. I
of
think he wrote
Ustream
the
Producer.
The writing team did, and it's a really beautiful song about we children growing up too quickly. And one minute they're a baby, the next time they get married and they've gone and left you. So it goes like this.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Turn around and you're 4. Turn around and you're a young girl going out of my door. Turn around, turn around, turn around and you're a young girl going out of my door.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
My little one, little Durandals and petticoats, where have you gone? Turn around and you're tiny, turn around and you're grown, turn around and you're a young wife with babes of your own. Turn around, turn around, turn around and you're a young
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Going out of my door. Where are you going, my little one, little one? Where are you going, my baby, my own?
Thanks very much. This next song is a song written
This is
by
a demonstration
Canadian
of
singer-songwriter
Ustream Producer.
by the name of, Ron Sexton. He actually picked up an award yesterday in Canada, a Juno Award. And this is a really nice song. It's called Wasting Time. The day is long, many hours to kill. It's alright if we let a few minutes spill. Where's the crime in wasting time with
This is a
you?
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Don't have to run when the pistol fires. It's alright if we let the meter expire. Where's the crime in wasting time with you? People love to talk about big things.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
But we've been through it all. We can just remove ourselves. We don't have to prove ourselves worthy of their approval.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Young ones, that's one point of view. It's alright if we've nothing better to do. Where's the crime in wasting time with you? People love to talk about big things they're gonna do.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
But we've been through it all. We can just remove ourselves. We don't have to prove ourselves worthy of their approval. You're only young.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
It's alright if we nothing better to do. Where's the crime in wasting time? Where's the crime in wasting time? Where's the crime in wasting time with you?
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I'm going to move on to a bit more of a country feel to this one, this next one. Sung by an artist called Nancy Griffiths. I owe a lot of my musical taste, even though I'm at the, I'd like to say young age of 31. I feel old now. But at the young age of 31, you feel a lot older, I would think, Tom. At the young age of 31, I spent a lot of time in the car with Dad, pumping this music at me, and I was like, at the start, I was like, oh, this is boring, put something else on. And after a while, it kind
This
of
is a
rubbed
demonstration
off. So,
of Ustream
now
Producer.
I love all this kind of music. So Nancy Griffiths is an Americana artist, and this song is called The Great Divide. I've been walking in my sleep, counting troubles, instead of counting sheep. Where the years went, I can't say.
This is a demonstration demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I've been sifting through the layers of dusty books and faded papers to tell a story I used to know. It was one that happened so long ago. It's gone away.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Now I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change direction across the great divide. Now I heard how the morning softly as the night was falling.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I replied, but he'd gone across the borderline. It's gone away yesterday. Now I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change direction across the great divide.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Finest hour I have seen is the one that comes between the edge of night and the break of day. It's when
This
the
is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
goes away. It's gone away yesterday. Now I find myself on the mountainside, where the rivers change direction across the great divide. It's gone away yesterday. Now I find myself on the
This is a
mountainside,
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
where the rivers change direction across the great divide.
I was brought up in Welsh language education, so I went to Welsh school up until I left at 16 to go along to college. So Welsh has always been something that's been very important to me, and I think I find that singing in Welsh is such a pleasure.
This is a
I don't know what it is
demonstration
about the
of
words, but
Ustream
it's
Producer.
So much nicer sometimes to sing Welsh than it is in English. This one is a song, it's a hymn, it's called Gwahoddiad, and I found out just recently when I was doing some research into it that it was actually written by an American guy, written in English, and then translated and put to a new tune in Welsh. So I thought this was always a Welsh song and had always been, but no, this one is Gwahoddiad, and it goes like this.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Ni clywaf danelais yn galw arnat ti I ddod â golchi'n ddeiau gyd yn afon Calfari. Arglwydd yma fi ar dy alwad di, can na fennaid yn gyfoed ar gael ar Calfari.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Yr Iesu sy'n hynwan I dderbyn gydau saint, bydd gobaith ar Iapur a hyn a ddobryw nefol fraint. Arglwydd yma fi ar dy alwad di,
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
We're going to do another duet for you now. This is one of Dom's favourites. He forces us to sing this all the time. At one stage I was like, oh, not this one again. But we do like this one. It's, John, do you want to say about this one? It's your favourite.
Yeah, this is a song written by a country singer called Graham Parsons, who died at the age of about 27. I think everybody dies at the age of 27. And they're a bit of a prodigy.
This is a
called
demonstration
Song
of
You
Ustream
Emmylou
Producer.
Harris. So Sean is my pocket-sized Emmylou Harris for this song.
Of Ustream Producer.
You're strong enough to take a lot of pain, take a lot of pain. Love is like a cloud, holds a lot of rain. Love hurts.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I'm young, I know, but even so, I know a thing or two. I've learned from you. I've really learned a lot, really learned a lot. Love is like a
Demonstration of Ustream Producer.
when it's hard. Love hurts. Love hurts. Some fools think of happiness, wistfulness, togetherness. Some fools fool
This is a
themselves.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
They're not fooling me. I know it isn't true. No, it isn't true. Love is just a lie made to make you blue. Love hurts. Love hurts.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Happiness, wistfulness, togetherness. Some fools fool themselves, I guess, but they're not fooling me. I know it isn't true. No, it isn't true. Love is just a lie, made to make you blue.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Just noticed they're all really depressing songs, aren't they? Either about love hurting or this isn't going to cheer you up.
This is a
Lisa.
demonstration
Ross
of
Stanley.
Ustream Producer.
This next one is by a lady called Beth Nielsen Chapman. She plays piano and sings. She's the most wonderful singer. And we had the opportunity to see her up in Aberdeen, where I'm from the Valleys. And she came and did a concert for us, and she was absolutely wonderful. I just noticed they've all got these double-barreled names, so maybe I should try it out if I wanted to be an Americana singer. So Beth Nielsen Chapman did this song. It's called Find Your Love, and rather sadly, it's about her husband who passed away, and this is just about her saying that anywhere she goes, she
This is
still
a
sees
demonstration
things that
of
remind her
Ustream
him.
Producer.
I'll catch your smile on someone's face. You're whispering the wind's embrace through diamond
This is a
stars.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I find your love in everything. The sun, the sky, the rolling seas, all conspire to comfort me. From sorrow's edge, life's beauty seems to find your love in everything.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I've come to trust the hope it brings, to find your love in everything. Even as I fall
This is a demonstration of
apart,
Ustream Producer.
even through my shattered heart, I'll catch your smile on someone's face, amazing grace.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Trust the hope it brings, to find your love in everything. Even as I fall apart, even through my shattered heart, I'll catch your smile on someone's face.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I think you all know this next song. Sorry. I always forget the words, so please help me out if you spot any mistake. This is a Paul Simon song. It's,
This is a
dedicated
demonstration
to my
of
mother.
Ustream
She's also
Producer.
here today. This is a song for her for Wednesday. My mother used to be a boxer. I am just a poor boy, my story seldom told. I've squandered my existence through a pocket full of mumbles, lies and promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the quiet of the railway station, running scared, laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. La la la, la 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 la.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Asking only workman's wages, I come looking for a job, but I get no hours. Just to come on from the halls on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
La la la, la 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 la.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
I was warm, going home, where the New York City winters are not bleeding me, bleeding me. Going home, in the clearance stands a boxer and a fighter by his train, and he carries the reminders.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Cuts him till he cried out in his anger and his pain. I'm leaving, but the fighter still remains. La la la, la 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 la.
Demonstration of Ustream producer. This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
And I was soft and silent. You would at my door. There's nothing near as quiet as the night I'm looking for. Last time that it appeared, he was lying next to me.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
To whispered ecstasy. And those who need adventure, they can sail the 7 seas. And those who search for treasure, they must live on grander dreams. We rose and fell just like the tide. You fill my heart and soul.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
For someone else to find in my pirate days. This world is kinder to the kind that
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
They are the chosen few among us now, unbound somehow. One day he turned to me, and before I took one breath, I knew I could only see the shadow in what life was left. And those who need adventure, they can
This is a
sail.
demonstration of Ustream producer.
And those
Ustream producer.
So I came to the end of my pirate days. Thank you.
This is another country song. This is sung by, the version that we're going to do is a version by Alison Krauss and
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Alison Krauss and James Taylor. And this is about how's the world treating you.
This song was originally written by the Louvin brothers, who were famous double act in the late 1950s, early 1960s in America. It's a love song. It's very simple. It's called How's the World Treating You? I've had nothing but sorrow since you said we
Demonstration
were
of Ustream producer.
There's no hope for tomorrow. How's the world treating you? Every sweet thing that matters has been broken in two. All my dreams have been shattered. How's the world treating you? Got no plans for next Sunday.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Every day is Blue Monday. Every day you're away. Although my pathways have parted, to your memory I'm true. Guess I'll stay broken hearted. How's the world treating you?
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Do you wonder about me like I'm hoping you do? Are you lonesome without me? Have you found someone new? Are you burning and yearning? Do you ever
This is
feel
a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Do you think I'm returning? How's the world treating you? Do you think I'm returning? How's the world treating you?
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
Now this one's a beautiful song. This is Songbird.
For you, there'll be no crying. For you,
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love
This is a
you,
demonstration of Ustream producer.
like never before.
This is a demonstration of Ustream producer.
I would give
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Know the score, and I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before, like never before, like never before.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
I'm going to do another duet for you again. This one, it's got a bit of a laid-back feel for you. It's Mark Knopfler and Emmylou Harris duet. And this one is Beachcombing.
Say there's wreckage washing up all along the coast. No one seems to know
This is a
too much.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Who got hit the most? Nothing has been spoken. There's not a lot to see when something has been broken. That's how it feels to me. We had a harmony. I never meant to spoil our time in the water. Like a
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
tide is running out to sea. Under a darkening sky, the night is falling down on me. And I'm thinking that I should head on home.
Head on
Been
home,
gone too long.
gone too long.
Leave my roaming, the beach home.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Little wild kitten out hunting, see what he can get. You're in the big city now. It won't stop growing yet. The sun is going down smoking. A flaming testament to something had been broken. And it feels criminal.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
He knows where he wants to go. I get out to pack my stuff to the thing I know. I turn around and head on back. Along the old seawall, I felt something giving back. Now I'm sorry, that's all. So head on home. Been gone too
This is a
long.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Leave my roaming for beach home. We had a harmony. I never meant to spoil our time in the water. Like a slip of old, the tide is running out to sea. Under a darkening
demonstration
sky,
of
the night is
Ustream
falling
Producer.
down on me. And now I'm thinking that I should head on home.
Head on
Been
home,
gone too long.
gone too long.
Leave my roaming for beach home.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Is by, I think it's by Mary Hopkins. It was on her album, a Mary Hopkins album that she did of all Welsh songs. It's a really lovely album, and this song is called Children All, and it basically talks about a lady who was left in the valleys while her husband went away, and she's just talking about how she wishes he would just come back all the time. So Children All means come back. So and it goes like this. It's a really pretty song.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer. demonstration of Ustream Producer. This is a 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 demonstration of Ustream Producer.
This is a song. This is a song of our own. This is about an old lady with lots of stories and lots of memories, but actually nobody to tell them or to speak about them with. So another cheerful one for Mother's Day.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Trying so hard to remember her face. She starts to recognize, starts to familiarize. All of her scenes have now fallen into place. She never mentions his name anymore. Why would she ever again? She stops to think for a while. Looks at a picture and raises a
This is a
smile.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Always remember her. Think of a girl, 17 years, planning a wedding while drowning in tears, trying to understand how she would go on her own. Think of a boy sent to the war. He lost a brother just 1 year before.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Wish that they'd never been born. She stares at a jumble of words, unable to read them. Her vision is blurred. It's from the ministry, naming a cemetery, name some places that she'd never heard. She'd never visit their graves anyway. Why would she want to leave home? She stops to
Demonstration of
think
Ustream
for a
Producer.
while. Looks at a picture and raises a smile, saying, I will always remember her. She opens a letter and smiles, hoping for comfort that never arrives. It's from the family she never got to see. Visits all canceled, another excuse.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
open a letter again. She starts to think for a while, but looks at a picture and raises a smile, saying, I will always remember. She starts to think for a while, but looks at a picture and raises a smile, saying, I will.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
This one is a Carol King number. Question I ask my husband frequently. And that one is, will you still love me tomorrow?
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
You give your love so sweetly tonight. The light of love is in your eyes. Will you still love me tomorrow? Isn't this a lasting treasure? Or just a
This is a
moment?
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
And I believe the magic of your sighs. Will you still love me tomorrow? Tonight with words unspoken, you say that I'm the only one. But will my heart
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
when the night meets the morning sun? I'd like to know that your love is a love I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow?
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Tonight with words unspoken, you say that I'm the only one.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Be broken when the night meets the morning sun. I'd like to know that your love is a love I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still
This is a
love me
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Will you still love me tomorrow? Will you still love me tomorrow?
It's
This
the
is a
last one.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Another Simon Garfunkel one. This is another one to get you dancing in your seats. It's good. Practicing the movement there. This one is Mrs. Robinson. Thanks for being a lovely audience. We've been Sean and John. And this is our closing.
It's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Ho, ho, ho. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. We'd like to know a little bit about you for our lives. We'd like to help you, but to help yourself. Look around you, all you see are sympathetic eyes. Stroll around the
This is a
grounds.
demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Well, here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Oh, ho, ho. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
Place where no one ever goes. Put it in the pantry with your cupcakes. It's a little secret, just the Robinsons affair. Most of all, you've got to hide it from the kids. You, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know.
This is a demonstration of Ustream Producer.
As you please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Standing on the Glamber stage on Sunday afternoon. Listen to the candidates debate. Laugh about it, shout
Demonstration
about
of
it.
Ustream
When
Producer.
you've got to choose. Any way you look at it, you lose. Where have you gone, Joe DiMaggio? The nation turns its lonely eyes to you. Ooh, what's that you say, Mrs. Robinson? Chilton Joe has left and gone away. Hey, hey, hey. Well, here's to
Demonstration
you,
of
Mrs.
Ustream
Robinson.
Producer.
Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, ho, ho. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray.